This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Here are 9 stories we're following this morning, June 9th, 2023, and to thank you for listening. First, the markets had a terrific day yesterday. The NASDAQ was up 1%, 1.02%, the S&P up 0.62%, and the Dow up 0.50%. Second, the markets were really driven by a high number of jobless benefits claims, the highest number, 261,000 in a couple years. This bad news on jobless claims, new jobless claims being elevated, leads the market to believe that the Fed is closer to stopping raising rates or to go slower on raising rates. Third, the markets are relatively flat this morning. They were up, now they're down. We'll see how they turn out. Fourth, the one-year Treasury yield opened right about 5.16%. The 10-year right about 3.71%. Again, we'll see what happens with Treasury yields. The more the Treasury yields go up, the harder that is on the market because it makes saving and investing in Treasuries more attractive than necessarily investing in the stock market. Fifth, Bitcoin opened right around today, 26,600. Its 52-week range is between 15,599 and 31,000, so it's sort of towards the middle upper level of that 52 range. We'll see how that goes. Sixth, Tesla and Elon Musk. Tesla continues to amaze. Tesla signed an agreement with GM regarding access and growth of the Tesla supercharger network. Tesla's up 90% year to date. Similarly, NVIDIA of the large cap companies is up 163% year to date. Those companies are having banner years in the stock market after struggling some last year. But Tesla and NVIDIA knocking it out of the park this year. Seventh, Carvana is staging a comeback that I think no one saw coming. They're projecting earnings EBITDA of about $50 million in the second quarter. Their stock is up more than 400% year to date, but you got to remember it was down a huge amount the last year. It also gained 56% yesterday. There's an article on this in Yahoo Finance. Eighth, thrilled to see the Becker Private Equity Business Podcast ranked number 1 in the Apple Business News category this week. What a terrific week. So much help from so many people, including Jeremy Core and others. Thank you so much. If you listen to this all the way through, we've got one more story, and you text me, and you're the first person to do so, and you can't be somebody that texts me every day for the $100 gift card. It's got to be someone different. You text me at 773-766-5322. We will send you a $100 Amazon gift certificate. You got to be the first person to text, and you can't be someone that's claimed a gift card in the last month or so. Thank you so much. The nice story we have is private equity funds are starting to report more difficult in raising funds as pension funds end up at a higher percentage of private equity investments than expected as the public markets went down last year. This is leading pension funds, insurance companies, others that are trying to hit certain targets to go softer on recommitting because they're already committed to a percentage that's higher than their expected percentage or their planned percentage. So that's fascinating. A great story on that in Bloomberg this morning. Thank you for listening. These quick 9 notes, business and market updates on the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. We'll be back with you with a couple other separate stories today. Thank you very much for listening.